want to install Teleman script. So that's telemarketing and voice calling SaaS application scripts. So I will be using code list for this testing purposes, but please don't forget code list is only meant for testing purposes. So let me go straight to code list.cc. Then next I click on the search button to search for the script I'm looking for, which is Teleman. Enter. So here is the script. Then I click on this. I scroll down to select any of the link. Download. Don't forget, as I said earlier, code is only meant for testing purposes. So let me select this. Okay. Open it up, then paste it there. Now I download. But I have already downloaded this script. So let me just go straight to my computer. I download on my computer. Yeah. So here is the downloaded script. Then I extracted it. Here is the extracted file. So let me open it. So here is the file I'm sending to my server or my cPanel. So in this regard I'm using cPanel. So then I zip it. Here is the zip file which I will be sending to my cPanel. So let me go straight to my cPanel. So here is my cPanel. Let me move down to my file manager under files. File manager. Then next I'm going to my subdomain, because I'm using subdomain for this testing purposes. So let me go here. As you can see, I have uploaded the zip file. Here is it. I have uploaded it. Then next I extract. Okay, I open this, select, or I want to move them to the root folder. So move. Move files. So up one level. Next, now I have successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Then next I go to my database to create the database. So database. So I'm in my cPanel now, and I'm going to my database here. Then I create my database. So let me name my database as this. Then create database. So let me go back. It has been successful. After creating the database, I'm going to create the user. So let me name it as this. User. So it has been successful, means I have created the database successfully and user. So what next is for me to now add the user to the database. So I make sure I select the one the user I just created and the database I just created as well. And I add. Once I give all privileges, then I move down to new changes. Done. Now it's successful. So what next is for me to go to my site, my subdomain or my domain, whichever one I'm using. But in this regard, I'm using a subdomain. Okay. Start the installation process. Go to database setup. Database name. Database name. Here is my database username. They are just created. Go to migration. Content. Admin. Let me see admin at example.com. Then submit. Now I successfully installed it. So I just refresh to come to this place. So from here now, I can just go to this my dashboard, Teleman. This is my dashboard, my pricing. And my login. So I can log in from this part. So here I use admin at example.com. Sign in. Now I've successfully logged in. Look at it. This is my dashboard, shows everything here. But I can find them everything here. So I've successfully installed this script. If you like it, if this script is useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and use link in description to buy me coffee. Also, don't forget, this code is just for testing purposes. Please use this link in description to purchase script. Thank you for watching.